G will act in this direction. This is the length which we are supposed to calculate. What is our time period of pendulum? T equal 2 pi under root of y by g. That y has to be calculated. Sir, why you are taking the y only? Because how the pendulum will oscillate not in this direction. Perpendicular to the plane. Perpendicular to plane here. Perpendicular to screen. It will be oscillating. I think I'm unable to show the 3D diagram here. Will not be like this, sir. Will not be like this. Perpendicular to plane. Hope every time perpendicular to plane of the diagram, plane of the screen, it will be vibrating. Carry on now. So I think somehow that calculation of y is something very important. No? How to get this one? So let me call this is x2, this x1. Applying the Pythagoras theorem. Three. This will be how much? 9 to 18 L square. Keep it here. We need and other side x2 plus x1 length we know equal to 7L. So y should be eliminated. So I'll take the difference of these two. This will be should be equal to 18 L square minus x1 square. 25 minus 18, 7L square equal to x2 minus x1, x2 plus x1. x2 plus x1 is 7L. And we know other equation. Adding up these two. Okay, then can we calculate y? I'll substitute in any one. 18L square. x1 square is 9L square plus y square. 3L. Okay, then the time period of oscillations will be 2 pi y by g. So possibility of asking such questions, especially mains for advanced objective. What is the basic idea? The effective length of the pendulum which is directed along the G is what should be taken. Either way. Because we know now the G will be act here. So the length of pendulum. Is it pendulum suspended here? No. This will become effective length. So where Y will become now effective length of pendulum. Let me give other condition.